This is Tidepool Tim, and we're out in the Valentine's Day 2015 blizzard. Unfortunately for me, my whole family is in the Virgin Islands. We expect to get at least a couple feet of snow tonight. Here it goes. Here's my driveway. It's only 6 o'clock at night. Supposed to snow for the next 18 to 24 hours. Look at that. Who cares? Bring it on. Happy Valentine's Day. Tidepool Tim checking out on Cobscook, Maine, Washington County, Maine. Oh, I'm so glad I didn't go to the Virgin Islands when I could just sit here and have fun with this. Benny, Molly, Tucker, and Amy, hope you're having fun. Don't forget Glenn and Sarah. You guys deserve it. See you soon. Love you. Bye.